Good morning, YouTube. I would like to welcome you all to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you're going to find a lot of videos on how to make money online. Um, if you are a work from home mom or dad and you have the time and patience to do this, this is for you. Like I said, if you just have the time, this is for you. So, I want to talk a little bit about an app I cashed out on yesterday, on Tuesday. Okay, there's an app that I just received a payment. I just checked my email. It showed me I got paid from it. I want to show you guys the app. But before I do that, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. So let's get into it. The app we're going to talk about today is Money App. As you can see, I have 1,263 points. And every day you could check in for 20 points. This is a tennis rewards check-in. And you have all these apps down here that you can do to get points. So basically right here it says Rise of Kingdoms, upgrade city to level 17, get reward. It's for new users only. So you can get 10,989 points for this, for getting to level 17 on this game. So I'm going to take you over here to the fantastic offer walls and show you what I've done and what I am doing. Okay? So I have this app right here, Billionaire Casino, installed on my phone. And I'm at level 68. So I'm going to be at level 100 today. Once I complete this, I'm going to get 4,274 points. And that's going to bring me up to 5,000 points. And I'll be able to do another cash out. They also have the Pirates of the Caribbean game on here. You need to reach castle level number 15. I haven't even played this game. I don't know how it works. Here's another one they just added. Vegas Casino Slots. You got to reach level 30. That's not hard to get to. These are just other apps. You guys can come on here and look at these if you decide to join. I have CoinDozer installed on my phone. Once you get to level 25, you get 1,300 points. This is a new one here. It's all the Marvel characters. You reach level 26 and you get 6,500 points. Looney Tunes is another good one. I played this. It's pretty good. You reach level 16. Like I said, that's a pretty good game to play. Once again, here we go with the slots. Another one. You guys should do these. These are really easy. All you have to do is reach level 9 in this one. Really easy. So I just wanted to come on here and show you these games, because these apps you can download and install them and do what it says and get the points. Right here, Solitaire Deluxe 2. Install, open, win 3 games, and redeem your points. iHeartRadio. You install, open, listen to Christmas podcast, redeem your points. This is another one. You install, open, redeem your points. So there's a lot of stuff on here you guys can do that don't require you installing the app. There's tons of things on here. Tons of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you my payout. I've cashed out 15 times on this app altogether. $15. $15 altogether I've cashed out from this app, because I got paid today. I got $5 on my PayPal. I'm going to show that to you. But as you can see here, you get 5,000 credits. That's $5. 10,000 or 1,000. 10,000, that's $10. 20,000, that's 20, and 50,000, that's $50. Okay, so you can watch videos as well and get points. And there's another offer wall on here as well that you can take a look at. Okay, so right now, those are all the things you can do on the Money app. This is a really good app. I've had this app installed on my phone in the past. Not this device, but a different one. But I never used it because I didn't know how. I didn't feel like doing all this, stuff. But now that I'm doing it, I'm very happy I did because it's made me money. Okay, so we're going to come over here to my PayPal account. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Okay, you guys, here I am back on the thing. It wouldn't let me enter my PIN. It was being really weird. So let me go ahead and just bring you guys over to my Gmail so you can see the payout. So, Money Rewards Online Ltd. I sent you $5 USD. See? That's proof that I received it. And today's November 22nd. There's the money. It's like I said, it will not let me log into my PayPal, but that's the email I received. That's the payment proof I'm going to give you today. So if you guys would like to sign up to this app, I'm going to leave the link below in the description. And thank you for watching this video. I would like if you like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. This is Dollars Make Sense, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.